This worm, barely the size of a comma, might become the first organism rebuilt entirely by software. It only has 302 neurons, but we still can't fully predict how it thinks or moves. If a creature this simple is still a mystery, understanding the human brain is an even bigger challenge. So in 2011, a team of scientists and engineers launched OpenWorm, a project to simulate the worm from the ground up. To recreate it, they pulled together decades of biological data, all 7,000 neuron connections, every muscle fiber, electrical signal patterns, and even the physics of how the worm bends through water and gel. In the simulation, each neuron sent electrical signals to specific muscles. Those muscles contract, and physics engines handle how the body twists and moves. Nothing is pre-programmed. Movement comes directly from the neural wiring. When they ran the model, something unexpected happened. The digital worm showed real behaviors: bending, pausing, reversing, and curling up just like the real organism does when simulated. Even the patterns of neural activity began to resemble what scientists recorded from actual worms. It wasn't perfect, but it was functional. But accuracy came with a catch. Every time the simulated worm behaved strangely, it revealed a gap in the biological data. A single misunderstood neuron could throw off the entire movement pattern. Sometimes the worm's body in the simulation was too stiff or too flexible, showing that the physics of the real tissues were more complex than expected. Every glitch became a clue, pointing researchers towards something biology hadn't fully explained yet. And that's the real power of OpenWorm. It proved that we can build a living organism from data alone. A system we can pause, modify, or experiment on without touching the real organisms. Researchers can simulate genetic mutations, test how neurons interact, and explore what-if scenarios impossible to run in an app. It's a new kind of scientific tool, a virtual organism that evolves as our knowledge improves. And here's where it gets interesting. The better the digital worm behaved, the more people started asking, if we can simulate a single life form, what's stopping someone from simulating something more complex? Because OpenWorm shows that life, at least simple life, can run on information, not just biology. And once you see that, the question becomes impossible to ignore. Are we living in a simulation?